Select work request from side menu, then click add work request icon. Select asset and location. Then select priority as per your need, then type your work description. For example, let's type oil leakage. To upload image, click upload, then select image from where directory you needed. Then type description of your image if needed. After filling all required fields, then click submit. Click OK. Then you can see the work request you created. Click your request. You can accept and reject a work request. To accept work request, select convert to work order. To reject, select reject work request. Let's select convert to work order. Choose workflow types between asset and facial lighting. Then choose your workflow. You can see your basic request detail according to your workflow. Also, we can upload image and video using those fields. After filling all fields, click submit to technician button. Then select employee to assign your work request. Click submit, then you can see your converted work request on work order page.